What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can make your own music into 8D music player. So there's an application in Android device that is named as 8D music player. So if you want that your music goes from left to right or right to left, this is going to help you out with that. And if you want your music to be have any bass booster and all, it will be provided by this 8D music player. So what you have to do is just go on search and type 8D music player and it will give you this application. Just go and hit on install. I'm going to open it because I already tried it before making the video of this 8D music player. So it will take some loading time. After that, just click on it and I will go with 1 second. Let me plug my headphones, and now I'm going to go and play music. So it will go and start by left to right, so you can go and enjoy if you want. So I'm just going to go and shut my mouth, and if you want to enjoy the music from left to right, you can test that out on YouTube as well. So let me just go and play one or two musics for you.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grasping into life. Life is happy but it's something. We must merely make a start.
So that's about it for this video. I really think you should go and try it. If you want to calm your mind, it also has a sleeping timer. So if you want, you can just play it for 5 minutes or 15 minutes and enjoy the songs that is going to go with 8D music player, that is going to go and left to right. If you want, you can make it a circle as it is given in the 1 second, hold up for a second, as it is saying equalizer new effect mode, that is going to be circle mode, wave passing mode, that is going to go from left in the top and the right side. And that's how you can go and enjoy any of your video, any of your music, and just go and enjoy the music. Sometimes you need to go and enjoy this kind of a music just to see that how perfect your ears are. So that's about it for this video. I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys in the next one.